Hello, my beautiful people. How you guys doing? Happy weekend. Happy Sunday. Hope all is well. Hope you guys are doing great. Hope you are doing fine. Hope all is well. How is family? So please, if today is your first time of coming across my video, my YouTube channel, please, I want to subscribe. Lady J of Africa, I want you to subscribe. If you already subscribed to my channel before, may God bless you. May God make a way for you when there is no way. Everything you want, God will do it for you. For my whole subscriber, my new subscriber, I really appreciate you all. Even for the people that haven't subscribed, I'm appreciating you all. So today, I don't want you to be scared. Maybe I want to talk about something else. I want to talk something that is really bothering me, something that I saw yesterday. I was thinking that it's only we in Nigeria that we betrayed our brothers and sisters, that we betrayed people that are close to us. I don't know that another country, they do the same things also. I was thinking it's only we Nigeria that always do those things. So yesterday I see what I never see before, and I was like, is this how life is? There is a Sierra Leone two sisters. The other one is the one that bring the junior one here. They live together in the same house, do everything together. So let me just make the story back because the time is late. So this elder one now fell in love with one of our Nigeria brother. So he took this our Nigeria brother him because he has been here for long. He have everything. So he took this our Nigeria brother him. They are doing everything together, you know, now as boyfriend and girlfriend. They are living together as a husband and wife. So and this elder one really promised to help this our brother for documents, for everything, even for passport that is ready after when they get married. So this our brother, he got this our brother work. Our brother is working. Even her herself, she's working. Even her younger sister, they are all working. So whereas this our brother, so her heart just clear for this girl. Say, yo, this girl now the kind of girl I need to spend my life with, now the kind of girl I need to marry. I just love this girl. Not be say the girl don't born or you don't get children like who. So this before this COVID-19, so the other one can say, okay, as he don't get everything, may he go UK, may he go see how that side be, because they need to change environment. He even tell me self, now me tell am say I'm not interested, because why? My children, they are still little. I need to do something good, something better before planning another thing in life. So this girl went to, before this COVID-19, so he now went to UK. So now so this COVID-19 now can't block that girl for that side. And if we say more, we look this COVID-19 now, since we don't they happen, don't they go 4 months. So you can't block that girl, no movement, no to come back. So the girl can't do that side. So the girl, they call this our Nigeria brother, how are you, fine, this one, that one. I don't want to mention their name, because why? You know, say this video what they do sometimes, if you they mention name, the people where they around you, even this city where I mention say they Kanate, now thousands of people know where I dey for Kanate. So let's just make the thing short. And this our younger sister, the girl younger sister, they fuck this our, they do something with this our Nigeria brother. So this our Nigeria brother to try to avoid that, say no, you don't want to do this thing. So she now they tell this our Nigeria brother, say, me our Nigeria brother, no worry, he go do wetin he pass his sister. Wetin his sister they give her for a month now small. He go give her the, you know, say we will be Nigeria now. If we don't hear money matter, things better life matter, our year go hope. We like money where we cherish money, even pass our pikin where we born. Now this our Nigeria brother is still try, he still bear try to make sure say this thing not work. But this girl, you know now, if this thing where they on the house don't make nothing, we know how we go to avoid and know how we go to do, we must fall into that temptation. So now so this our Nigeria brother can't fall into this girl, the younger one, triple. They come, they do the thing, they do and they sweet, then they do the love, then they sell cocoa, then they fight, then they go supermarket together, go everywhere together. Even the car where they use, so now the senior one get on. Even the house where they stay, now this everything where they the house, now the senior one get on. The junior one just come, never even reach 6 years. So you where you be our Nigeria brother, no say no be your fault, because the way me I tell hear the thing, I know say no be our brother fault. So you don't spoil the senior one, eh? You don't spoil and give the younger, this our brother. And this our brother now comes, okay, since na me are you there, more will they do this thing secret. Pa na so belle enter. Belle come enter now. So our brother now come dey beg the girl now make comot the belle. He say lie oh, he no go comot the belle oh. He no dey fear him sister. Him mama don help him sister well. He no dey fear am. Anything wey him sister wan do, make he do. He no fit do anything. Now he go even fit put him sister for trouble, because now he carry am come here. This and this, he no been pikin, go easily say no been pikin. Now he see no, now say, eh? Now so this life wey we dey, now so it be. Play oh. Don't come get belle for this our Nigeria brother. Now, to cut the whole story short, the girl papa dey here oh, their father and their mama, they dey this country, this same country where we dey stay. So now the girl now wey get belle can go meet in family, say he don't get belle. Who can give you belle? Now they know say now his sister boyfriend now he give am belle. Now the mama can say no, you go this one, make you not try am. May go command that belle. This thing abomination, na shameful thing won't cause for this family. So he no go agree. Because of that one, the woman come the shame. That is his mother. He come the shame. No fit talk this thing come outside. Now papa say nothing wey he go fit do. Now to call the senior one, tell the senior one. As they come tell the senior one now, and this COVID-19 na not let the senior one come. The senior one come, they call the junior one for phone, say wetin in the year na true. He say na true. Wetin he won't do. He even come they snap the belle. I with the boy they pray love and toast kyo. Send and go send for his senior sister. Say if his senior sister won't die, make she die. Nothing where her senior sister fit do for her. Now he can come here. No one measure her name, because if I measure her name now, everybody don't know the story already for this our city. Now wetin they rain now for this our city. Now be that. So I don't want measure the girl name. Now the girl can come and say, Joy, I beg, Lady J, help me go my house. Go help me check whether this thing are true. Now when I can't go yesterday. My God, I see what I never see for my life before. As I dey talk to the younger one, they reach. Now he tell me, say, whether me because of his sister, may go come out belle, me can't die. Now I say, even though now you will come out the belle, your sister, you not go fit friend this same man again. But what you do, you need to bow for your senior sister to beg am well, because he say wetin he want beg am for. He say wetin he want beg am for. He say whether his sister never know say he don't too hold for this our Nigeria brother. So you no care, we no do anything. Now open man now say, I can't say you where you they do like holy. If you not say this girl they do for church, you where they do like person where you know they smell banana. So now you they chop the banana pass. Even when they gossip them for inside church, say why you choir stress with person where they give band, why the two of them go come they do this kind of thing together. As they take the greatest your sister reach for inside church. So now you supposed to come do this same thing for your sister. He say, auntie, I no care. Oh, anything my sister won't do, me do. He know even they fear, he know they regret what he do. Now I say, but what do you believe say your mama and your papa they feel? Is there anything where anybody like make them feel in they live in life the way he wants her? Now I say, you know even reason how your senior sister takes so far. Find money, take carry you come this country, stay by you, do everything for you, still they stay with her, they chop in food, still betray her. Now I say this thing, now what I need to use for my story today be that. Now what I need to bring come outside, come share with my brothers and sisters. See, especially who will be sisters like this. I know they tell you say may you not help your brother or your sister. I know they tell you say may you not help your family, but it get can help. Person. I know they advise you say may you not help your the same papa, the same mama, the same gbogbo tigbo, but it get the can help. Help wey go make you come cry tomorrow. Help wey go make you come dey regret say why I do this thing. Help wey go make you come dey say why my life be like this. You better not do one, because when you do one, you regret on yourself. You now cry when you be say, you know, if you cry and finish. Because this our sister now, the other one, if they pass through her, if they cry day and night, now even no road to even come now. And if he come now, what he want do? Now to kill younger sister, or now to kill this our Nigeria brother, or what he want do? Now that one and me, I devil they think now to tell and say, see what you go feed. Even me, I no fit tell and say, me I just tell and say, you better remain there. All waiting me, I need to advise you. Your important way you know say e dey here, like your car, your house, your everything. Pursue the outside, carry your house, put people, sell your property. May you just go that side, go say to. Now waiting me, I dey tell her yesterday, but not be the way me I take the reason her. Not be so she accepted the reason her, because why? The thing they pain her say, I wish now another and in your fellow country or another person for her side. Now you can do one this thing now. If for no. This one and now, blood, you know as it they pay. Me person like me now, I can't say I don't chop remain now. I don't see what to do now. That to can't say I won't go hurt the same papa, the same mama with me. You know how that thing they pay. If you no get betrayed for our side, you can't go get betrayed for the same papa, the same mama with you. For people wey be say you they suffer, they give food. For person wey be say now you carry her. Come say make you come find her whole better life. Now you can't do you this kind of thing. Me, I reason. I think. I dey look and say, hey, to come dey help family now, self. They very somehow. My brothers and sisters, not beside they tell and say, no help you the same papa, oh, no help you the same mama, oh, no trust them, not do this. But person they use person home, they learn. What I talk? Person they use person home, they learn. If you not use person home, learn. You go find yourself for where you're not supposed to meet her. You will find yourself for where you're not supposed to meet yourself. Now then you go find yourself. You will find yourself for where be say you no even expect say you fit find yourself. Now there. Man not come die for another person problem. Man drink water. Water is life. You will find yourself for where you're not supposed to meet yourself. You will find yourself for middle of where you be say you go cry, tears no go gree come out for your eye. Because me I imagine say like me now. That is why sometimes if I dey talk my own history come outside, people go they say you don't need that and this thing na media thing and this thing. I no care if na media things, because why? Me I be person will be say I know they feel they tolerate nonsense. I know they feel they tolerate nonsense. If you see me say I dey vibrate, I dey do this, no be say I no be person. I like to help, I like to give, I love to share what I have to people. But when it comes to what will temper my life, what will temper with my happiness, what will temper with what will make me to cry, I no go do that thing. I feel help my brothers and sisters make they come this country with the little document where I have. I feel send the visitation letter, they go come. But say me and them go sleep for the same roof. They kaka the day. I me on river gbon and ayake matike me on ring, because you feel the say your brother no fit do this thing, your sister no fit do this thing. At the end of the day, you go see say you when you the say your person no fit do that thing, and then they do that thing to you. How you go take feel? Now you lose. Because whether now wetin they give you joy, you see this joy where you get. So once you don't lose and no matter how you cry from now till tomorrow, you no go feel you regain her back. Because this my friend why they talk so now. Even though they can't beg her later, don't you think say you go fit forget that kind thing? You no go fit forget her, because the thing you go the hunt her, the thing go the chop her, the thing go the kill her, the thing go the pain her. Why would they do that kind of thing? Person like me, I feel help my family come this country. If you be woman, I go rent house for you for outside. Go stay. Even my son self way there, will not the guy that they stay. If they stay in you, me I they stay my home. You be my sister, you did this country, you won't come my house. So I used to stay 1 month. Go your house, ciao ciao. Not be the one where you can't carry your problem, can't join my own. I don't fit do the one what I fit do for your life. Not be say you my sister, you can't reach here, you will say you won't ruin my happiness. Omo. Hey. Wo, iku long gbe yan alabosi o. You won't even live. You won't, because me, the waiting me, person like me, waiting me, I go do that my younger sister. Waiting, we go put one leg for trust. I not go care say, may we end up anywhere we want for end up. Because why? If person who I not believe say he go, if he betrayed me, if he betrayed me, the thing go, they pay me, they enter inside my bone, because I be person will be say any small thing like this, he don't they pay me. I be person will be say as I be cry well. So I don't want come make I come carry my own problem, go use my hand, go drop person will go come make me cry for my life. But something don't happen to me for this country. Will be say my sister we from the same village. Something don't happen. Say we be say she come my house, and I invite her. She come my house. After she come my house, we do everything together. I give her transport, I give her this, I give her accommodation, do everything. At the end of the day, now she can't go outside. I don't want to mention her name. Now she can't go outside. My best friend. Now she can't go, they spoil me for my best friend. Friend will say, now you call me say I beg. Make I help you. You want the travel, you want the find money, you want the find this. Now I tell you say okay. This thing I get person where I go fit help you, where you go meet this and this. See her picture. Now lay her picture. Now just show. See her picture, see her Facebook, see her this thing. Now lay her picture, now even show. Through that her picture, she can say me I give her the girl number. Not like say wait, I go give you the girl number. I'll first go call the girl, give her your number. She can say okay. She can they call me say hey, give me the girl number. Because of my work, I never quick fit talk to the girl. You believe say this my sister? She go call that my friend. She go find her for Facebook right now say she be my sister. So she get wetin important what she want tell her. So I see that one don't say this one because na mama na this girl they call me. This girl now is dey Germany now. As I they made this story now, I know say this girl now, you go see, maybe when you later see this, you go say this video where Sister Joy make, Lady J make, now me she they use and they talk to. Sure you understand? Everything when me and she discuss about this girl, she tell this girl everything. When me I can't call, she can't even tell the girl say, make the girl not tell me anything, make the girl not even pretend, make the girl not just do as if say me and she don't talk, make the girl pretend as if say me and she never talk. And two of them never talk. So when me I come close for work one day, now I come call the girl, I come they say, be pray oh, na Princess na be the girl name. You get what I won't tell you about one of my. Now that one say, Mama, not just worry yourself. This girl don't tell me everything. Even everything what you tell me about her, about me, what you tell her, she don't tell me everything. Now I open my mouth. My sister, that day I reach out saying, I know if cry. I know if cry. Like person who from the same village. That's why we say we not grow up together, but we don't be the same village. We don't believe say we there together. We don't believe say we have life together. We don't believe say we be friends. Now you can't go they do this thing to me. So I think of that issue, think. Tears. I can't they cry. I can't call this my sister. He said what she go still you say. Now if me I do it I won't do. Even when go the guy not even give her the address of him house. He go meet the girl. Maybe I not worried where they come end their life to put today. You see those kind of people, you need to run for them. People where you go they say you won't try to help. Where be say now how they go take for you, how they go take collapse your life, how they go take rule your relationship. Try to avoid them. Any friend where you be say you they look, you they find how to give joy, how to give life, and that person they find how you go take betray. They say by their fruit you shall know them. Watch the kind of friend you make. Watch the kind of sister you put for your house. Not say because I get as e be, you no get money to pay house rent, you no get that help wey you wan help am for inside your house, so help am for outside. Yoruba say òkèrè òun lọmọ ìyá dùn. Òkèrè òun lọmọ ìyá dùn. That help wey you wan help her, so help her for outside. Leave her make she dey far away to you. Make you dey where you dey. Make una from there dey help una sef. Make una from there dey talk wetin una get to talk. Make una from there dey gist wetin una suppose to gist. Make una from there dey rap wetin una from there dey rap. If na 50 euro you get to take help your helper, use that 50 euro help am. If na 200 euro, if na 1000, you better dey help that person for far away. I no advise you say make you not bring your the same papa, the same mama come. We no be all family na dey do like that. Because person like me, family wey I for come, I no fit see my younger sister wey fit do like that to me, and me I no fit still do like that to my senior sister. Shey you understand? But sometimes if it be say wetin you dey think for your own mind, not be wetin dem dey think for your own mind. Some sister just dey now, na how dem go dey see you wey you go take dey cry, na dem go dey find. Wish you dey find their own happiness. Wish you dey wish dem how dem go take dey happy every day. Wish then they find how you go take dey cry every day. You see that kind of family, you need to run far for them. You see that kind of family, you need to stay away from them. This kind thing wey me I see yesterday, so at least some people go even dey wey be say dem know say this thing they don wrong, wetin dem do not good, but dem go still dey feel pityness, say I don't do this thing. But wetin this girl, she was not feel regretting, she was not feeling as if that what he did is very wrong, she was not feel that what he did can even take her sister life and she have ruled her sister life, or she just feel comfortable. She feel as if that what she did is she's right. She's on a right way to do that, what she did. She's not regretting. She's not crying about it. She's not feeling bad about what she did. My brothers and sisters, be careful. I made a video is it not last year or earlier this year, that what kind of friend are you? What kind of friend are you mingle with? Sorry. What kind of friend are you identify your life with? What kind of friend are you going out with? What that friend have to offer you? What did you have to offer that friend? A friend that will not want your happiness, a friend that will not want like how you can grow in life, a friend that will see when something good coming to your way, he will like to stop that thing. So what are you doing with that kind of friend? What are you doing with that kind of friend? You better be very careful before it will too late. Check the kind of life you have to live with a friend before it will get late. Check the kind of people you go out with. Check the kind of family you are into before it gets too late. Don't just make a friend because I want to make a friend. Don't attach yourself to your family because you want your family to love you. For me, I love my family. I do what I know I can be able to do. I can't kill myself because of I want to make my family too happy. I can always do what I know I can be able to do to my family. My family is my family. No matter what it is, they are my family. No matter what country, they are my family. No matter what you told them, they are my family. But I can't, because that I want them to be okay, then I will kill myself. No. Even my children, I did the little that I can do to my children. I can't, because of my children, I will go and rob in the bank. There is some people, and I don't want my family to feel I'm bad. I don't want to help them, or I'm this. They will go and be doing what they don't supposed to do because they want the happiness of their family. I've seen a girl that brought two of her sisters, her brother, to this country. Today, those are brothers and sisters. They taught her to annihilate enemy. Then talk bad of this their sister every time. They have never even told tell their sister to face that if you are not be careful, we will go outside and tell police that you are the one that brought us here. They are even threatening their sister. So what are we into? What are we into? What kind of life are we? You want to be satisfy your brothers and sisters because you want them to be happy with you, because you want them to love you. At the end of the day, you find yourself where you don't supposed to find yourself. At the end of the day, you see yourself where you don't supposed to see yourself. My own advice to this story this evening that I want you to be very careful. No matter what you are doing in life, my brothers and sisters, you have to be very careful. If you are not careful, what step in step that you talk, you got regret at the end of the day. You got cry at the end of the day. What will make cry, what will make I myself cry, God will not make us to see it. God will surely be leading us. God will surely be give us a wisdom. Yorùbá do make a one thing say, ṣènìyàn á lè gbáre kó má gbá ibi ọjọ́ kan. Ṣènìyàn á lè gbáre kó má gbá ibi ọjọ́ kan. Ènìyàn kò má lè gbáre kó má gbá ibi ọjọ́ kan. Ọjọ́ tọ́jọ́ yẹn bá dára kí o gbà pé ọjọ́ yẹn dára. Ọjọ́ tó bá dẹ̀ korò kí o gbà pé ọjọ́ yẹn korò. Bó tilẹ̀ wù kó rí, má ṣe pé wèrè lọ́lọ́run rẹ. Ènìyàn kò lè gbáre kó má gbá ibi ọjọ́ kan. So the meaning of this song is that there is no half person in life can be just say that all my life I always see good things, happiness. I've never seen something that make me to cry in my life. I've never seen something that pained me in my life. I've never seen something that make me to feel is a lie. But the day you are seeing the good one, say thank God. The day the bad one also comes also, say thank God. No matter how it is. Don't say your God is not your God. Or don't say your God is a man's God. Or don't say my God is sleeping. Always in any condition you find yourself, take it the way it is, my brothers and sisters. That is why I always said a downfall of man is never the end of the life. When there is life, always there is hope. My advice for you is that I believe that there is no a human can come in life and say, since I was born, I've never tested the bitterness, I've never tested the sorrowness, I've never tested him. Even Dangote daughter, Dangote children, even Berlusconi children, they once said they have see something that paid them, maybe from man or from a friend or from, then we always see something to talk about. Even me myself, I see many things that make me to shed tears sometimes. Even many times I shed tears. I feel betrayed from a man in this country before. I feel betrayed from a man in this country before. I feel betrayed from sisters. I feel betrayed from friends. I feel betrayed from workers. So I've seen many things. So, but you know, because you don't want to find yourself in a bad thing, we learn every day. That is why we come out and share our story. That is why we come out to tell people what we see and what can make us to alert our brain and what can make us to amend our way of doing things. You know, when you are doing things, sometimes you have to be thinking that this thing that I'm going to do, is it going to last or is it going to be this? Is it going to be this? Please, if you enjoy this message, I want you to leave your comment. If you don't enjoy it, also leave your comment. If today is your first time of coming across my YouTube, I want you to please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Lady J of Africa. If you already subscribed to my YouTube channel before, may God bless you. I love you guys. Bye-bye. I'm on my way now. Going back home. I have to go.